What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to do a trade recap, another trade recap on a win that I took on a 50K funding challenge account with Take Profit Trader. You can see right here I made 207 and 50 cents on this trade. So I'm just going to go over my thought process behind the trade, why I took it, and kind of why I chose my daily buys and how I marked up my chart. So this is the trade right here. We got a little bit over a 101. We took this break of candle right here, and once price started rejecting, we basically, after it had cleared these equal highs right here, we decided to just get out with a little bit over a 1-to-1. You know, this is what I do every single day. What we do is we mark up. I trade New York session open, so we mark up previous session highs and lows. We'll do that right now. That is Asia highs right here, Asia lows right here, and then we have London highs right here and London lows right here. So price, we wait for price to kind of get to one of these levels, and then we see if price wants to reverse at one of these levels and then come back and take out liquidity in the opposite direction, or if it wants to hold and continue to push and take out liquidity in the same direction. We had London and Asia lows down here, and kind of why was my daily bias a buy? When I zoom out, although this market is kind of consolidated, you can see price really holding support down here at these levels, right? Support, support, support down here, okay? And it's struggling to kind of break through and kind of make some new lows down into this area. So we know that price, before it shoots down here, this is how the market moves. Price wants to basically come back up and take out some type of liquidity before it potentially continues its move back down. So at this point, what we're really doing is we're just waiting for confirmation that price wants to continue to pushes up, breaks some type of structure, holds some type of key zone, and then we take our position from there. We set our stop somewhere below. So this right here is this candle that flushed up right here is that waked up is New York market open. So it took out a little bit of liquidity up here, and then it came and flushed down and held this support level down here, which if we extend to the left, we can see price kind of holding this level. Support, 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 okay? Doesn't mean we're going to take a buy down here. We're going to wait for the confirmation back to the upside, and then we're going to see about taking our trade. So as you can see, price flushed down, took out these liquidity levels down here, almost took out London lows, rejected it, and then started shooting back up bullish, okay? So now that it rejected taking out liquidity at London and Asia lows, and it pushed up at market open, right? It is daily buy, so we're looking for price to trace back up in that direction and take out some type of equal highs, which are solid key zones that we're looking to exit our trade. So here's a level of equal highs right here, and obviously these levels up here would have been ideal Asia highs, but price never got up there. It eventually did over here the next day, but it came back down and grabbed London and Asia lows. Okay, so as you can see, the market kind of moves like that. Eventually, it's going to take out all these key zones, which are London highs, Asia highs, London and Asia lows as well. So that's just how the market moves, and we're just basically waiting for price to get to these key zones, and then we'll take a trade from there. So as price rejected London at market open, London lows and Asia lows, and we had this big bullish engulfing candle, this was our indication that price wanted to move up. We see the 9 and the 13 MA trending up. I love seeing price bounce off and respecting the 9 and the 13. And then when we had this break of candle right here, this is where we got in. Set our stops right here, and then we got a little bit over a 1-to-1. Okay, so that was our trade. We took out these equal highs. It would have been ideal if price continued to run up and you know, take out these highs right away. But that's okay. We'll take what the market gives us. It was a good trade. We hardly had any type of pullbacks. Price did, as it pulled back, it did respect the 9 and the 13 MA. Like I mentioned, that's a great confluence once we get in the trade, that it is respecting those MAs, and those MAs start to trend now in the direction that we want to trade. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do comment. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continue to do these trade recaps and kind of go through my thought process of the trades that I'm taking, why I'm taking them, my daily buys, all that good stuff, how I'm marking up the chart. So I really appreciate you guys really tuning in and taking the time to watch this video. Let me know what you think. Peace.